Here's a quick drawing tip that's going to help you in a lot of your drawings. So this is Cloud from Final Fantasy, and so is this from Final Fantasy VII. What is the difference between the light blue here and the orange? Can you spot it? So the difference is very subtle, and I will kind of go into it. So let's kind of versus these. On the left in the blue, we have a slightly more anime version of Cloud. The nose is more of a triangle. It's a little bit more simplified. You don't see the outer edges of his nose. And in general, there's just a little bit less information, more pointing to that anime style, more in that direction. I wouldn't completely put this in the anime section, but it's leaning that way. The mouth is more of a simple line, just showing a little bit of the upper lip. And over here, we have a little bit more leaning in the, I would say, slightly more realistic, a little bit more stylized, a little bit more, I would even almost say American comic style. But we're adding in more information. That's pretty much what's going on here. You can see the outer side of the nostril very easily. And you can see the upper lip. You can see a lot more lines going on and giving it more, I would say, real life features. There's just more information in there. Both of these are good. So I want to make that very clear. Both of these ways are correct. They are just different. This is how styles are developed. You have more of a cartoony, slightly more realistic, and I would say the difference here is negligible. It's maybe 10%. But you can choose how far to take it. Adding more information, like small lines underneath, can sometimes age the character, so you have to be very careful. But the main point of the video is that you have to learn the exact same techniques to do this. Style is like, I would say, icing on a birthday cake. You learn the basic foundation, meaning the shape of the skull, shape of the head, direction of where things are going. And on top of that, you're putting in as much or as little information as you want. And that's where style really comes in, despite how different some styles can look. So again, the foundation is almost always entirely the same. Almost everybody trains almost the same things. What you want to do is the fancy stuff on top of that, how thick lines are, how curvy things are, how much information you put in, that is up to the individual and the individual artist style to come out. Don't forget to share this video. I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I'm very curious what you think about style and what makes style. You can screenshot this as a reminder, follow for more. And also, what I want you to do right now is stay with me, and we're going to watch another little drawing tip involving someone that you might know. Let me know what you want to talk about in the comments, and let's move on to the next video.